Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we're gonna switch it up a little bit with this casserole. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a bacon cheeseburger gnocchi. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over our ingredients that we have for today. Right here we have our gnocchi. Now, I know y'all wanted me to say good gnocchi, but hey, I know that one. I know that one. Your ground beef, we have some cheddar cheese here, beef broth, freshly chopped garlic, cornstarch, ketchup, diced tomatoes, some chopped bacon, onions, that W sauce, yellow mustard, green onions, seasoned salt, black pepper, smoked paprika. It's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. So we're gonna get started by preparing our gnocchi. I'm gonna add this little salt to our boiling water. And now we're just gonna add our gnocchi and we're gonna cook it according to the box instructions. Our box instructions says 2 minutes, so we're gonna let it boil for 2 minutes. And once it's done, we're just gonna drain it, sit it aside until it's time for us to use it. And right now we're gonna head over to our cooktop so we can prepare the other part of the recipe. All right, to get started, we're gonna heat up our cooktop, bring it up to temperature. All right, so we're gonna add our bacon. And we're just gonna cook that all the way through until it's crispy. All right, so it looks like our bacon is done. We're gonna pause our heat. I'm gonna get this removed. Next, we're gonna take our ground beef. We're gonna add it. And you wanna leave about a tablespoon of bacon grease in there, which I did. I had about a tablespoon left in there. And we're gonna get this broken down and crumbled and cooked until it's brown all the way through. Once you get it all broken down, you want to add your onions. And I decided to add me some jalapenos to mine also. Didn't have that in the ingredient shop, but I'm gonna add some jalapenos. I'm gonna hit this with a little seasoned salt. And we're gonna continue to get this cooked. All right, so it looks like we're good. We have our ground beef cooked all the way through. I don't see any more pink. So we're gonna pause this and we're gonna drain off the grease and we're gonna come back. Now we're gonna unpause our heat, add our garlic, and we're gonna cook this until fragrant. After a few minutes, we're gonna go in with our gnocchi. Gonna get that mixed in here, along with our bacon, our tomatoes. Gonna go ahead and get this mixed in here. Let's add our ketchup, our mustard, our W sauce, our seasoned salt, paprika, and black pepper. And we're gonna get this baby mixed in. Guys, I also just added our cornstarch in here. Wasn't recording when I did it. So we're gonna bring this up to a boil. Once it's up to a boil, as you can see it's boiling, we're gonna reduce the heat to simmer, and we're gonna let that baby simmer for about 5 minutes until that sauce thickens. All right guys, look at what we have after about 5 minutes. That sauce is thick like we want it. Give it a quick mix real quick, and this is looking absolutely beautiful. Next, we're gonna take our cheese. We're gonna turn this off. We don't need our heat on anymore. We're gonna sprinkle our cheese on the top like this. And I'm gonna put a lid on it and allow this to melt. Once it melts, we're gonna come right back. All right, guys, let's take a look at what we have. This is looking absolutely delicious. All right, let's go ahead and head over to our cutting board and put the finishing toppings on it before we jump into quality control. All right, to finish this off, what I like to do to make it look pretty is to add a little bit more of that bacon, crumbled bacon to the top. Of course, you got that bacon inside, so this is optional. And of course, we need that green stuff. You already know. There you have it. Bacon cheeseburger gnocchi. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. So let's go ahead and jump into quality control. Y'all already know the favorite part of the show, quality control. Man, take a look at that bacon cheeseburger gnocchi or gnocchi. I ain't gonna troll y'all with the gnocchi. I'm gonna still troll you with them jalapenos though. But all right, let's get this baby a taste test. It's hot too, bro. Oh yes. This baby cheesy, ground beefy, bacony. Oh man, the gnocchi. I personally like gnocchi. They say it's an alternative to pasta, which it is to me. And they say it's a little bit healthier than pasta because it's made from potatoes. A lot of people don't care for it, but in my opinion, I like it sometime in place of some pasta. And if you don't like gnocchi, man, go ahead and add you some elbow macaroni in this thing and just make your bacon cheeseburger macaroni pasta or casserole, whatever you want to call it. But this one here is fire with the gnocchi. It's just a little something different than just your regular pasta if you want to switch things up. So to the end, guys, y'all already know all wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.